going on, everybody? It's your boy Kalibo 24/7, aka Young King Buffet Utando. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to 2020. This is the first video of the year, guys. We're gonna be killing it with the Forex videos, and I'm gonna be dropping other content on this channel. So make sure you do like if you have not, subscribe if you have not as well, and make sure you do turn on the post notification bell so that you do get notified every time I upload dope videos like this one. So you already know what date it is. It is a Monday, and today I'm going to be dropping some dope content as we prepare for this coming week. So make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. And I heard that on this particular video, there's a giveaway. Make sure to stick around, until the end of the video so that you get to participate in the giveaway, and who knows, you might just be the lucky person. So without wasting more time, let's jump straight into today's video. Before we get into the video, so this is how the giveaway will go like. You know how I like to say right? So count how many times I've said on this video and comment on the comment section. The first person to comment the correct answer, definitely they will win themselves this $5 giveaway. I think it's $6 equivalent to 100 rands. So make sure you get the correct that I've said on this video, then definitely the money is yours.
There will always be a place for you.
So now we are analyzing gold, right? And gold, last time I was with you guys, we left gold somewhere around here, right? This is what I had analyzed, and this is what I had said you guys will this is what gold will do, right? The gold had to sell till this point and then push to the upside, but unfortunately it just bounced off this level right here, and then from there it rallied all the way to the upside. So whoever caught the sell made profits. Unfortunately, it did not just drop all the way to our second take profit. It only ended on our first take profit. So it pushed to the upside, and as you can see, guys, I have been trading, just that I have not been analyzing for the YouTube channel, but we have been taking more buys consistently on the Forex market. So let's analyze for this week's market and see what gold has for us, since it's going to be the first chart or the first movement in 2021. Hopefully the market does not open up with gaps and whatnot. Also, since there's this Brexit thing has ended, so we'll just have to see how the market behaves. But let's just gather whatever information we'll get from this and see if we can get some clean setups and make money out of it. Alright guys, so this is the analysis for this week. As we can see, gold keeps on bouncing off this zone right here, right? Just keeps on bouncing off of that. So it's a strong resistance based off the previous highs. Based off this resistance that's happening right here, we see that the market likes to sell when it comes to that point, but also we're taking into consideration the trend line that we have put here. Now we see that every time the market comes to the downside, it keeps on bouncing on this trend line, and you see the market, it's on some type of a triangle, and anything is quite possible. But in this case, this is what I call a continuation pattern. So chances are the market will break to the upside. Like, remember guys, I said gold is a buy, like Nasdaq, you buy gold. So I don't like selling gold, but chances are it might sell from this zone maybe to that part, then push to the upside. But I'm more hyped about selling gold just for now, since it's January. It's going to be losing its momentum since no one is going to be buying gold and whatnot. I mean, you guys, you are no longer buying the gifts, the jewelries and whatnot, so it makes no sense for gold to keep on rolling up. So I'm just seeing gold selling off from this point, maybe just to retest this part and then eventually moving back to the upside. So that's my own 2 cents, but anything is quite possible. So what I'd suggest you guys to do is, if you're going to take buys after the market has just broken up or broken above this level, right? Also take another sell right here as soon as the market broke below this level right here of this support trend line, right? So it's quite clean with gold right now. We are more hyped about selling gold, but we'll just have to see if the market is going to break towards the upside or the downside. But if you're going to be taking sells right now, with an aggressive selling position, if I can say so, that simply means you have to wait. Oh, actually, you have to take a trade right now and then put your stop loss somewhere above here. So it needs to be just above this wick right here. So just put it somewhere around this price of 1900. Okay, yeah, I think it's 1909 cents or 9 rands or whatever the case may be. So that's the price that I'm seeing gold to put your stop loss. It's like it's quite valid from that point, right? So you sell once gold breaks below this trend line, which is from here. You can start taking your selling opportunities. It only makes sense to me that you should sell from that. So with gold, we are looking to sell. So hopefully it does what it does best.
It's not right. We don't fight.
Yo guys, Euro USD, I have been saying buy this pay with like everything you have, right? Euro USD is gonna be making it has been making us money, with the buys. It only makes sense to me to say on the 7th of December, I said to you guys, buy. It only made sense because like this market is on like a bullish momentum, so it makes more sense to buy than sell. But let's not dwell into what has been happening last year. Let's see what's happening on this week's analysis and see if we can make money out of Euro USD. Alright guys, so this is my own 2 cents on Euro USD. This is what I'm also seeing with Euro USD. The momentum has been good. So let's see with Elliott Wave what it has to say. Yes guys, so according to Elliott Wave, the market is actually good for a sell. We are supposed to take selling opportunities just about this trend line, just on this trend line. Unfortunately, the market did not push all the way to that. So it has been selling. So right now, potential pullback is possible simply because there's a support and a support. So it might just push to the upside, but eventually it's supposed to sell. And this supports the theory or the analysis that I've said on gold. Remember, Euro USD and gold, they move the same direction, right? So when gold is selling, Euro USD is supposed to sell as well. So I'm looking at Euro USD right now. I'm seeing Euro USD at least selling at least to that point right there, just to retest this level, and then eventually moving to the upside. Like I've said on gold as well, it needs to touch some level down there before it pushes all the way to the upside, because these markets are overall buying, right? But with Euro USD, it's quite not the case that it's buying all the time. Sometimes it sells off, sometimes it buys. But with gold, it just pushes all the time towards the upside, because that's the ultimate goal. So with Euro USD today, what I'm seeing is that you can just take buying opportunities if you feel like buying right here, and then put your stop loss somewhere below this horizontal zone right there, and then sell once the market breaks below, and then put your stop loss back up there. And that's just how you trade the forex market. So you're looking at Euro USD right now, and I'm more hyped about selling this pair once it reaches this zone. But for now, we have to look at the data we have. It looks like a buy, so we're supposed to take buying opportunities. But I'm still selling, saying according to the Elliott Wave and according to my own 2 cents, the fundamentals and what has been going on, it only makes more sense to me to sell Euro USD. Not for long, just for a time, just for like short. Usually we say we short Euro or we short whatever pay, but this time we're doing it like short. Like you enter, few minutes, few hours or day trade, and then you're out. There's no need for you to swing trade this one unless it breaks this ultimate support level. Then of course you can sell all the way to the downside. So sell Euro USD on this coming week. Yo guys, USDCAD, it's been a minute since I've analyzed this pair, but however it's been on a downtrend like Euro USD. not like EURUSD, man. Like what's this, USDJPY. The market has been on a downtrend for so long, and all that we have to do is just to take more selling opportunities. Since that it broke below actually this support zone, it made more sense for us to keep on selling, retest at this zone, dropped even more. So USD, it's on a very much downtrend momentum. So let's check on 4 hours and see what's happening on this week's analysis. All right, so with USDCAD, this is what I'm seeing on the pair. This is a double bottom. Basically, it looks like a W on a bigger time frame, right? So the market has been like not doubling, but retesting on this zone for quite some time now, and now it's looking good for a buy, right? It makes sense for me to buy this pair simply because what's this pair? Euro USD is selling, gold is selling, so it makes sense to buy USDCAD, right? So at this point in time, it looks good to buy this pair once it breaks once it breaks above this trend line right here. And it looks good for us to buy overall trend till, let's not buy till that zone, but let's just say, let's take whatever we have right here, right? I'd say buy till that. It makes sense for us to buy till potentially that zone. So buy USDCAD. I'd also just buy USDJPY because they probably move the same. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you do like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you have not, and turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video like this one. Other than that, it's been your boy Caliber signing out. Peace.